When them see the lyrics constructor, coffee come in like a rupture, and everybody get ducked out. Place it up like a doctor. When them see the lyrical doctor, coffee come in like a rupture, and everybody get ducked out. Place it up like a doctor. When them see the lyrics constructor, coffee come in like a rupture, and everybody get ducked out. Place it up like a doctor. When them see the lyrical.
Alright, so what do I buy?
I buy pepper, I buy, what you sell onion? Alright, give me a pound and garlic, give me a string of garlic. You sell egg by the tray? Yeah, 1,000. Yeah. We'll come back today.
Yeah. That's good.
How much are they? Yeah,
how much we going to make?
I make a small pan, I don't know.
I make a small pan. How much you have a small pan?
And £2, man.
2 hours, so give me £3 then. I want 50 a pound.
Alright.
I'll give him about 3 hot pepper to here.
Yeah, man. Take down one of them bags. I have bag. You have bag?
No, take one of them bag then.
Put up one.
Good?
Yeah?
About 3 pepper.
Yeah.
You green and one, right?
Yeah man, that looks good. Tomato?
Yeah, we're gonna need tomato, yes.
For that tomato.
One of tomato.
I'll give me one small one glass of and
So fuck. Good, biscuit has smell good.
this Kelly. Yeah man, that's it you know. You put the garlic in there already?
Yes, man.
Alright.
So that one only 508.
Alright.
Go there. Right there. We're alright with everything. No honey, no molasses.
With the pear now, right?
You get the beer?
Yeah, I get it. Alright, so we 151 and 1 $200 one. Oh, the nutmeg to have nutmeg and cinnamon. You have cinnamon right, sir? Cinnamon that?
Cinnamon really?
Basic.
BC, oh. Alright, one nutmeg here. Are you a nutmeg them?
Yeah.
Alright, one nutmeg too.
1 or 2. 2 for 50.
Yeah, give it 2 of them. What's the name there? This is a nutmeg.
And this is a basic.
It's a BC over there, so BC powder.
Right. I mean a Joe plum.
Joe plum, yeah. So that is nutmeg. So go in and put spice. Alright, this is 150. Tell her to give me one 200 1 hour, 151, so 350 here.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna give you 50.
This is yours.
Thanks.
See there.
See there. Thank you. You're welcome. At the bakery, picking up some bread. And waiting for my sandwich. This bakery also sells sandwiches, bomb ass paninis, Sterling Bakery, the best bakery ever. Sorry for you, when I said so much, but all the other bakery then can't come here. So that's Sterling. So next time I'm market, I might look for food.
1 power bread, 1
I already get a bread. show them the junkyard. Yeah. I got my bike so far and where we're going now. So stay tuned. We're going next stop is the supermarket.
They're good.
Alright guys, so just got the chicken sandwich, nice and hot, and I may or may not remember to show it to you before I mash it up, but yeah, see it nice and thick. So this costs, how much this costs? This costs $4.20, which is about, let's say, like $3 in change in US. So yeah, good deal. Alright y'all, so we headed to the supermarket right now.
No, we gotta go to the fish place.
Oh, the fish place, sorry, my bad. So your favorite rasta? Just kidding, he's not a rasta, but it's your favorite Laxman.
We're going to the sea view.
The sea view here, guys. Nice, nicey. It's hot as hell out here.
Excuse me. Don't ask me that video people say. Don't do that.
Oh yeah, nobody not even a video. Yo. Come out of people's business and shut up. You want them on camera? That's why you talk to me. Shut up. Let them we are back coming. Don't worry about yourself. Worry about yourself. Shut up.
You don't have video here?
Fish, yeah.
Some people just not ask questions. Relax, boy.
Not even have nobody for you.
How we are getting them?
Good afternoon.
You know some of them no more. So please see what's on the phone in your one down. Come in and know why.
Oh.
Phone, right? You want phone, right?
Yeah. Yeah. This spread. So guys, we're gonna be buying this. This is called Sprat. So she's gonna clean them up for us and everything. Then we go home and we fry them and we cook them. So yeah guys. Market setting. I'm fucking jealous, you're jealous.
Alright guys, so now we're in the supermarket. We'll get some stuff before we go back in the hills. This is what Jamaican supermarkets look like. Did I get this dryer too?
Yeah.
Did I get one look at yeah, one look at
from before, but
get a little shopping cart, one little thing in it. Dash it out. From WhatsApp, when you call me before you call me regular call man. Okay. Alright, so this try, we need this try for the hills because the mosquito them crazy. This is the one where I get. Oh yeah. Alright. Ready again?
Yeah, I'm gonna take out the list. Alright, so we get bread already, we get sweet potatoes already, cinnamon powder. We
You
need.
get nutmeg already too.
Alright, so we need cinnamon powder.
We have coconut up there, but I use plain coconut.
Alright, and sugar. So we need.
Sugar, oil.
We have to delete everything when we get already.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we just picked up some sugar, cornmeal and flour. So yeah, now we're about to get butter. Oh, that's the oven, yeah. Oh, the list. Here's the butter. You feel that big or something there?
Yeah, 130.
Get it now? Guys, this big thing is less than $1 US of butter. Crazy. Alright, last step is the oil. Yeah. Alright, that's not bad. You want to bring it to the register and then check? Yeah. So I'm about to get some juice because it's hot as hell. I think we're gonna get this. Maybe we'll get one current water instead. Grape. I've never tried this one before. I'm gonna try this.